See their mouth? It's like this.
His little hands.
I know.
Gripping. He's so cute. Okay.
Where's the other one?
There's one there.
It's right there.
Oh, there it is.
We're relocating the.
Relocating 3 horned tomato worms. They're eating all of my potatoes. So we're going to move them over to the tomatoes so they don't completely kill all of them. Show their little turds everywhere.
Yeah. And they have so much poop. All the poop from. They're like rabbit poop.
So cool. Look at them. Look at them. 1, 2, 3. He's standing straight up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, he's doing that too.
This one's like, I'm still munching. Hungry. Still hungry butt.
He's like, I'm moving, but.
They're going to get over here and be like, what? How did she know?
She had tomatoes?
She had tomatoes this whole time?
You want to put him high?
You put him right there. I'm going to put them away from each other.
I was saying because of the chickens.
I don't think the chickens will touch these. They're way too big.
Where do you want this one?
Look, you can hang him right off of something. Go to town, guys.
He's just hanging out. Might fall. Goodbye.